Good evening. Confirm audio as well as video. Audio, is the audio clear? We'll start in a minute. Let us start. So again, we are continuing from the last session. Basics of DI2 we are done with. One of the sets was left out, so I've added that set in the beginning. So what you are seeing right now on the screen is the complete set. Question 14 to question 18 is the complete set. Start reading from here. Read up to this point, decide is this category A or category B or category C for you. A's अभी कर लो, B बाद में करेंगे, C छोड़ दो, leave it. So take your time, start, give it a shot. Yeah, none of the portion of the set is covered by me, so I'll stay on the screen. Start. You have 6 minutes, 8 minutes to try and solve this set. You're seeing a set from CAT, very old CAT, when exam used to be paper based, that old. Try. Because of the semi-final, attendance is expected to be low. Try to observe how money is being distributed. Is there a mention of how land will be divided? Is there any mention of the fertility of trees? How many fruits will they bear? How many trees are being grown per acre? There are a lot of moving parts in this question. A lot of information is floating around. Good evening. There's a set on the screen. You have 4 5 minutes to read the set. Just read what information is given to you, what kind of questions have been asked, and try to categorize whether this is a easy set for you or a moderate level set for you or a difficult level set for you. Yes, output is in what? Quantity. Quantity. The question is about quantity. Quantity of coconuts. Not price, not rupees. No. Do you want me to start solving this set or do you want 1 or 2 more minutes to try? Should I start solving the set? Is it now? Is the visibility better now? Is it better now? I guess now it would have improved. I can see a couple of Mbps speed at my side. I think the visibility would have improved now. Yes. At the solution, let me start with the sheet. What is being said is Krishna distributed 10 acres of land to Gopal and Ram, who paid him to the money. Nothing has been said. Simply 10 acres of land is given to Gopal and Ram, and the money they have paid, that is in the ratio of 2/3. Gopal invested further 2 lakh rupees in the land and planted coconut and lemon trees in the ratio of 5/1 on equal areas of land. Now, this area of land is equal between coconut and lemon trees. There were a total of 100 lemon trees. The cost of one coconut was rupees 5. The crop took 7 years to mature. When the crop was reaped in 1997, the total revenue generated was 25% more than total amount put in by Gopal and Ram together. The revenue generated from coconut and lemon trees was in the ratio of 3/2, and it was shared equally by Gopal and Ram as initial amounts spent by them were equal. This is very critical. So try and understand, land is not distributed between Gopal and Ram. They have a block of 10-acre land. They have paid money as 2/3. And further, uh, Gopal is bringing 2 lakh rupees more. And the last line says they have invested equal amount. That is why they will share the money also equally. What is the profit here? 25% is the profit. So I'm starting to get a lot of numbers now in my head. One number is, see, if the money is 2x by Gopal and 3x by Ram, Gopal brings in 2 lakh rupees more, and now the money is equal. The money is equal at the end. Money is equal here. Invested money. So that gives me idea. X is equal to 2 lakh rupees. That means every one of them, see, this is 2 lakh rupees, X is equal to 2 lakh. This becomes 4 lakhs. So 6 lakh rupees is the investment of Gopal, and 6 lakh rupees is the investment of Ram. So far, do you guys agree with this? Can you guys hear me? Hi, can you guys hear me? This is probably because of the network problem, and the first 19 minutes of recording is gone. First 19 minutes of recording is gone, so I'll have to restart the explanation. Chalo, let us start from the beginning. Let me start this from the beginning. At any point, if we face similar difficulty, maybe we'll have to end session today. Network ka problem hai. Maybe too many Indians are watching on Airtel. Maybe they are using Airtel. My entire society uses the same service provider, same cable is there. Let us hope the problem does not persist. So I'll restart that solving part. I'll re-explain the whole question. Krishna is giving away 10 acres of land. Let me rearrange this. Yes. So there is 10 acres of land given to Gopal and Ram. The money invested is in the ratio of 2/3. Gopal further adds 2 lakh rupees and then he plants coconut trees and lemon trees in the ratio of 5/1. There is 1 lemon tree, there will be 5 coconut trees on equal area of land. The land is divided equally between these trees, not between Gopal and Ram, where there were total 100 lemon trees. The cost of one coconut was rupees 5. The crop took 5 years to mature, and when the crop is reaped in 1997, the total revenue generated is 25% of the total amount put by Gopal and Ram together. The revenue generated divided by coconut and lemon trees is in the ratio of 3/2, and it was shared equally by Gopal and Ram as limited amount as the initial amount spent by them equal. So one key information is the amount spent was equal initially. Right now I can see the ratio 2/x. So I can say 2x and 3x is the amount. Gopal is bringing in 2 lakh rupees more, which makes them equal. When I rearrange, I get x is equal to 2 lakh rupees. That tells me money invested by Gopal is total 6 lakhs. Also, the money invested by Ram is 6 lakh. 6 lakh. So total they have invested 12 lakh rupees. The profit that is being made after 25 years, the revenue, not profit, the revenue that is being made is 25% of total amount put together. 25% is 1/4. What is 1/4 of this? 1/4 of this number, 12 lakh, is 3 lakh. So 3 lakh rupees revenue has been generated. In this 3 lakhs, the money ratio, the money ratio for coconut and lemon trees is this. So coconut are contributing 3 rupees out of 5. See, 3 rupees here, 2 rupees here. Coconut are 3 rupees out of total 5 rupees, and total money is 3 lakh rupees. So yes, when you cancel these 60,000 into 3, that is 18,000. This is 3 lakh rupees, yes. 25% 1 by 4, 3 lakh rupees. 5 cancel 60, 60 into 3. So this is 1,80,000 rupees coming from coconuts and 1,20,000 rupees coming from lemons. Now here the question is, what was the output of coconuts? Because one coconut can be sold for rupees 5. It says here, one coconut can be sold for rupees 5. So number of coconuts would be 1,80,000 divided by 5. So 5 cancels this 36 times. So 36,000 coconuts have been produced on the land. The question was, what is the output of coconuts? In terms of money, the money collected is 1,80,000. In terms of quantity, the number of coconuts are 36,000. Confirm if you are able to understand this solution. You are able to keep up with this. Confirms, guys. Clear? Good. Good. Now some analysis. Money is 1,80,000, 1,20,000. Land is 5:1. The land is divided equally. The trees are 5:1. What is the value of output per acre of lemon trees planted? Per acre of lemon trees planted. See, 10-acre land was divided equally as 5-acre and 5-acre between lemon and between coconuts. What was the money collected? 1,20,000 was collected for or through sale of lemons. What is the output per acre? Lakh per acre, lakh per acre. So all I'm going to do is, it is 1.2 lakh because answers are in lakh. I will divide 1.2 by 5. So 0.24 lakh per acre. 0.24 lakh per acre. Confirm if you're able to keep up with this. Very simple. Once you break down the money part, this part becomes very, very easy. Confirm if you understood this. Confirm this. Confirm this. The total revenue is 1,20,000 and we have 5 acre of land. So how much is the money per acre? 0.24 lakh per acre. Simple question. What was the amount received by Gopal in 1997? See, the revenue was in this ratio for coconut and lemon, but it was shared equally. It was shared equally by Gopal and Ram. So if they share the money equally or the revenue equally, 3 lakh was the revenue, each one will get 1.5 lakhs. Gopal will be receiving 1.5 lakh rupees as revenue from this whole process. It is clear? Confirmation on this? Okay. This one you try. What is the output per coconut tree? What is the output per coconut tree? How much money is being generated, revenue being generated by coconuts? Revenue, it is 1,80,000. You have to work with number of trees. Output per coconut tree, per tree you have to work with. So there is a very big hint given to you. The number of trees planted are 5:1 for coconut and lemons. And there are 100 lemon trees. So if 1 represents 100, 5 should represent 500. So 500 coconut trees you have. So divide this by 500 and your answer should be ready. 2 zeros are gone. So I have 1800 rupees upon 5, which is rupees 360. 360 rupees is the output for a single tree. Every tree, the output is worth 360. Perfect. Your answer is correct. Perfect. What was the ratio of yields per acre of land for coconuts and lemons in terms of number of lemons and number of coconuts? I'm looking for yield in terms of what? Coconuts and lemons. Coconut I can answer because money collected is 1,80,000 rupees and I am selling one coconut for 5 rupees. So I can say 36,000 coconuts have been produced. 36,000 coconuts have been grown. But you have no idea or no method of calculating number of lemons because you do not know the rate of a lemon. You have no idea what is price of a single lemon, or you have no idea how many lemons are grown per tree. You know lemon trees are 100. Lemon trees are 100. If you tell me how many lemons grow in a tree, I can solve this question. Again, the question is not about money. नहीं तो money का ratio is already given to you. Money ratio is 3/2. Money yield. What is the ratio of yields per acre of land for coconuts and lemons? I am supposed to divide number of coconuts and number of lemons. There is no way to calculate this, hence the answer would be cannot be determined. The answer would be cannot be determined because you have no way to calculate the number of lemons. ये क्लियर है? We can maintain better speed. So this is a complete set. This is a complete set. That table will be there on screen for you in the exam. you should not be copying such a large table in the exam. So think of ways to get answers without copying the table. Maybe you'll have to put your hand on the screen while counting pairs or while adding numbers, subtracting numbers. So go on. I'll give you 6 to 8 minutes for this. Go on. Put my device on mute. Acha, maybe I will be covering some portion of the screen. Give me a second. I'll just remove myself from the screen. Done. 6 to 8 minutes you have. So by now you would have guessed, complete set is about finding pairs. Pairs where products are being sold together. If it says 1, the product is being sold to the customer. If it says 0, product is not being sold to the customer. The entire set is about counting how many products are sold in pairs. Maybe also find the money spent on the pair. You have 3 to 4 minutes more. Give it a shot. Yes, that answer looks correct. Yes. Should I give it a try? Should I start solving this? Yes, it's a fairly simple set. Only thing you have to do is stay focused. Don't lose your focus. Don't make silly mistakes. You'll get all answers correct for this. So, time for me to come back on screen. So, let me try and solve this for you. How many paired products are there with A? So, all I have to do is look at this. There is A. And make sure while solving such a question, you are writing down information. Here, A can form a product with D, A can form a product with E. See, So far I have counted 2 pairs. So I will write down the names ADA. I don't need it for this question, but I might need it in the future. 1 each. So A and D. So again one more. There is no A here. This is A and B. So product AB 1 pair. A B 1 pair. A D 1 more pair. A E 1 more pair. Now there is A here, AC 1 pair, AD and AE 1 pair each. 1 pair each. Now here it is A, B, C, D, E, 1 pair with each. AB 1 pair, AC 1 pair, AE 1 pair, AD 1 pair. These are called tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth is cross. AB 1 pair, AB 1 pair, AD 1 more pair, and AE 1 more pair. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 1, 17. There are 17 pairs in which A is there. 17 pairs of products in which A is there. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. You have to manually calculate. So I'll keep these numbers. It's a rough work, rough space. 6 here, 5 here, 4 here, and 2 here. If I needed some other example, I'll look at these numbers again. Assuming the profit margin of products is as follows: A rupees 50, B rupees 45, C rupees 60, D rupees 40, E rupees 70. Which of the following paired product purchases generates highest profit margin given the existing buying frequency? So slow down, slow down, slow down. You have to take care of 2-3 things. You have to worry about frequency also. See, when I say a product of A has been sold, there is 50 rupees profit. Product of D, 40 rupees profit. So 90 rupees profit is there for one pair, for single pair. What if there are 10 pairs? What if there are 100 pairs? So profit will also depend upon number of pairs. How many pairs are there for AD? There are 6 pairs. So I need to work with the money generated. I need to work with the number of pairs also. That is the reason I asked you to write it cleanly, because I might need it further. It happens a lot of time in DI. You have to borrow information. A, the profit is 50 rupees. E, the profit is 70 rupees. So I have a profit of rupees 120 for a pair AE, 120. How many pairs of AE are there? 5 pairs. 5 pairs. So I have profit of 600. That is what the last sentence means. You need to calculate profit margin given the existing buying frequency. For BD, B, what is the price? Profit 45 rupees, D 40 rupees. So for this 85 rupees is the profit. Now I have to count pairs. BD, 1 pair, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 pairs. BD, I have got 8 pairs. So 85 into 8. 80 into 8, 640. 5 into 8, 40. So total 680 rupees the profit. So far this seems like the highest value or highest profit margin. BE, B is priced rupees 45. E has been priced rupees 70. So the profit margin is 115. How many pairs do I have for BE? Manually karna, must be done. This is BE, 1 pair. This is 2 pairs. This is third pair, BE, fourth pair. and fifth pair. I have total 5 pairs. So 575 rupees is for B. The highest one turns out to be BD. BD is the highest one. Yes, your answer is correct. Very good. So far, any doubts? None? All right. All right. All right. Let us try this one. There is more information. Be careful. The price margins, the profit margins are same so far. A retailer decides to offer discount in case customer buys more than 2 products. If a customer buys more than 2 products, 10% discount is there. 10% of the margin, or observe, 10% of the margin of higher product in the combination. If you buy product A, B, and C, A, B, and C, you get discount worth 10% of this, 6 rupees. Not 10% discount on all of them, discount of 10% for higher margin product. How many customers in the sample data generate a profit margin of 150 or more? First thing, I need to add money. So I'll write it here: 50, 45, 60, 40, and 70. First customer is buying 3 products, A, D, and E. So A plus D plus E. How much money is that? That is money worth 160. Out of 160, we are going to give discount of 10% of this. 10% is 7 rupees. Can I say even now, is it more than 150? Yes. This customer should be considered. Second one is buying only 2 products. Third one is buying 3 products. Can I say the total price of these 3 products is less than 150? 45, 60, and 40 is less than 150. You are going to discount further? No. No. There are 2 products here, can't count. There are 2 products here, can't count. I must have more than 2 products. So do you see here we have 4 products. What is the price? 50, 45, that is 95, 135, 205. Even if you offer 10% of 70, which is 7 rupees, 200 minus 7 rupees, 150 se upar hai? Yes. This customer should be counted in the answer. 2 products, 2 products, 2 products. I need more than 2 products. How many products are there? 3 products. What is the money? 70, 40, 110, 155. 155. Now we must offer 7 rupees discount. This becomes 140, 148 rupees. Is it above 150? No. Money equal to higher margin product. 10% of higher margin product must be given as discount. Not eligible. So look at this. There are 4 products here. 70, 40, 110, 170, and further 50, 220 rupees. 220 minus 7 rupees. Yes, I should count this. So far, 3 customers have been counted. This, this, and this. Again, more than 2 products. 3. 45 rupees, 40 rupees. That is 85 plus 70. Again, 55 minus 7. No, no, can't count this. There are all counted. लिखना भी नहीं आपको. Don't even have to write. If all of them are counted, already 250 से ऊपर rate चला गया. So this must be considered. There are 2 products. No. This must be. This is 110 plus 90. So 200 we are already going. 200 minus 7 rupees is still more. So how many customers must be considered? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 customers must be considered who are paying more than rupees 150 and this. Fairly straightforward. Fairly straightforward. Is the screen visible to you clearly? Are you able to view the screen clearly? Were you able to keep up with the solution? Solution आपको क्लिक हुआ? All right. Hotspot. It's a different service provider. चलो. चलो. How many customers buy the lowest selling pair as well as the highest selling pair? So because the products are A, B, C, D, E, pair could be AB, pair could be AC, pair could be AD, pair could be AE. Pair could also be BC, BD, BE. Pair could be CE, CD, and DE. Out of 5 products, there can be 10 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 pairs. You have to find customers which are buying the highest selling pair, also the lowest selling pair. For this, I need to know all pairs. So I'll go back to that A wala screen. I'll go back to information for A. It was 6, 5. It was AB4, AC2, AB4, AC2, AD6, AE5. Also, I had found out BD and BE. BD and BE I had found out. Let me count BC as a pair. 1 pair, 2, 3. So 3 pairs. Now I'll need to count CD and CE and DE. CD 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, CD 3 pairs. CE, I'll need to count CE as a pair. CE 1 pair, CE 2 pairs, CE 3 pairs, CE 4 pairs. D as a pair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 pairs. So how many customers are buying highest paying and lowest paying pairs? So highest and lowest paying pairs, selling pairs are BD and AC. BD and AC. BD 8 pairs and AC 2 pairs. So somebody buying these pairs will be buying A, B, C, D. Somebody buying this pair and this pair will be buying A, B, C, D. Is there A, B, C, D here, 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 here? Is there A, B, C, D here? All of them should be there. A, B, C, D. No, 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 no. This one is buying A, B, C, D. Look at this. There is nobody else. There's only one customer who is buying the highest selling as well as the lowest selling pair among all. There's only one customer that buys highest paying as well as lowest selling pairs. Customer 115. ये समझा आपने को? Is this clear to us? So we'll continue with the same name. Same name we'll continue with. We have done only one set so far because of the network fluctuation. तो बहुत अच्छे set हैं इसके बाद. We have done only 2 sets today. So we'll pick up from here. I'll keep this same. We'll pick up from question number 23. This one we'll pick up from. We have 3 more sets after this. Beautiful sets. So I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll continue. Yeah, good night. Mobile hotspot is working better as compared to broadband. What can we say?